Jessy, you come a busy ass, you won't come carry television, shey. You don't get off for hospital bed. You won't go collect another drip, shey. I'm not just blaming now those busy sisters, those two girls, now enough you join hand together, give you better beauty of your life for that place. Therefore, give you better beauty where be say, you not go even see leg, take waka come and say you dey go back to your house. Anyway, my people, before I go into the matter, let me greet my Bongolicious people. I greet you according to your time. Wherever you are watching me for, is your girl again, Linda G. Steven. If you are just coming across my video for the first time, do me well by hitting the following button. Make you share this video for me. Make you not forget to drop your comment on the comment section. Thank you. Just here, your shame, they shame. You are a very, very shameless girl. I don't even know whether na cause they follow your family. I don't even know. You are a very shameless girl. You don't get off hospital bed, you don't come back again. You won't start another one. Then tomorrow they'll say na Ogbanje they worry you on a native doctor cast spell on you. What it be your problem? So you can't busy house now, you won't go carry a television. You won't go carry a property for a house. I'm not blaming now. Those the sisters the way keep you quiet. As you just they lose that, they'll just carry something, wipe you for not make them not wipe you for head, wipe you for your waist. You go fall for ground for there. May see how you go take get up, take lose the television. What it be your problem? What is exactly is your problem? Your mama they look what you they do now, they keep quiet. If they see you, they keep quiet. You don't want talk. You don't want call you to order. Then tomorrow night your mama go begin they find busy way you want arrest up and down. Which kind woman baby this one? You know they get tired. You know they tired. What it be your own? When you just worry person, you know they get tired. Last year, this year, this boy not if you not lost money, he lost more than many million for your sake. This year again you started. Now basically way they keep you quiet. This way they keep you quiet. Police give you restricted order. Say me you not come in house again. You see the again. You can't tear the paper the last time. Where it kick you. You can't go land for hospital. Now again you want to start. What it be your problem? They say you come. They say you come. May it can't be something else for this boy life. Say any money where this boy go they make. Now you go be the one way go they destroy for her. What it be your problem? Now which you chop? Guys, make una watch this video. Now because the sisters they not feel beat you when I make you see mad they talk. If you watch this video, make you drop your comment on the comment section. Thank you.
I will bring television. I said you're not even there around. You come to carry TV. Your brother not that TV. Your brother not there around. Not for you. No, your brother there around. You know it comes back. No, that's all I will slap you. You come to carry TV. I will bring television. Not that TV. You don't even listen to them. You look at it. Stand there. You can't stand here. When I know they carry this TV, you don't even spoil our you back and forth. No, they carry anything. I will stop you. If you near me, I will stop you. So we are not getting my people for force. You know you're not carrying. And if I call that, I'll tell you what. I say you know they carry anything. Madam, drop the TV. I will stop you. I will slap you. I will slap you. My brother, I'm going to slide this out. If I want to drop and I I know they carry anything. I don't carry anything. I say they carry anything. Anybody hold me, I will slap the person. Anybody blow I will slap the person. You're not from come out. You're not from come out. I don't concern me. With the one that I get, not out. You're not from the carrier. Which kind of nonsense? And if I come again, I will get back to the city. That's fine. This one, I'm next to my pastor, man. And I say, if I come back, I'll get another one. Yes, who will you have? No, I don't have the television. What do you want to ask me? Which kind of thing? What time you ask me? Who have come follow my pass? Who have come follow my pass? Shabi, camera person don't come outside. Any small thing will come outside on the video. Better give Bizzy this video. Make it better see. I don't carry this one. I just message. I will come back. I don't know who they give you now. All these things. Now answer yesterday. Now only you don't come now to come take the television. Now they get long. You want my breaker? Yeah. You want my breaker? Me allow me my career. So we are still not the house. I don't tell this message to them. Then I'm going to just say nine career. I am going to come back again. I am going to come. I don't always see. This should make me better. I don't understand. I don't claim for our house. If I don't have the claim, I come and ask for the claim. Yes. Yes. What's it concern? Our house. We don't watch television.
Disconnect her for anything now. I'm too serious. I don't understand.
I don't. If they get long break, I don't carry speaker yesterday. Come carry another one. I will slap the girl in here. I will slap
But yes, I'm gonna come back. No, Benia. I come and ask something.
unless you won't go. Only you do what can go. If you won't go, only you go. But you see this television, they follow you go anywhere. They follow me go anywhere. So now you to tell me that television can't carry this television now. When I say you don't you just come. You don't even spoil this thing. See, what it cause I be? You go walk out by force. Because I want to kill you.
As you open the door, they go. This thing is going to carry on.
I don't like this, man. Say you know how much of this television we want. Say if you want to carry on. Television now.
Compass.
What about brother? Say no say you don't carry on.
My brother did tell me come this house.
When I open this door, you know they go anywhere. When I open this door, you know they go anywhere. Since no one carry television, I carry another different thing.
Hey, Madam, where's first? Madam, leave this one.
I will slap you.
Madam, leave this one first.
Then my sister did that thing.
Madam, leave this one. Wait. Where this man they go?
Oh yeah, compass they go your way.
Stop first.
Everything for your house now, rubbish. Okay, now rubbish.